now Mac OS 10, and so it's a very mature API. Okay, it's very well thought out. So especially if you go with the flow of it, it's very easy to build really powerful things. So that's what's in there. So let's talk about the tools we use as programmers, as developers, to build these apps, okay? And I've divided those into kind of 4 sections here. One is the tools, the actual programming tools. And what's great on this platform is it's pretty much a one tool fits all, okay? There's this one tool, Xcode 5, and everything's in there. Your debugger's in there, all your source code editing, your source code control, the UI building, everything is in this one app. There's a little adjunct there, instruments, which is for things like profiling your app and things like that, memory usage, those kind of things. But you're really always inside Xcode 5, which is really nice because, you know, when you're debugging, you're usually editing your code at the same time, back and forth, back and forth. You're going to different apps and all that would be a pain in the neck. And they've really done a good job of arranging the screen space so that it's sharing between all these different tasks that you need to do. So that's the primary tool, Xcode 5. You should all, right after this class, if you want, go to the Mac App Store, not the App Store on your iOS device, the Mac App Store on your Mac, and download this. It's free. It's available. Came out last Friday. And you can download it, install it, and start playing around with it. Some of you might have already used Xcode like in CS106. Raise your hand if you've used Xcode before for anything. OK, so 2/3 or more, 3/4 of you. So you're going to be used to it. You're just going to start using Xcode now to develop for iOS.